Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in on the Ps5 and opening settings, go straight to users and accounts, then security. You need your current two-step verification active because backup codes are linked to that. If you use an authenticator app, keep it open. If you use SMS, have your phone nearby. Once signed in and security visible, choose the two-step verification menu so you can access the option to view or generate backup codes. This step enables recovery if your primary method fails. Now find backup codes under the two-step verification options and select it. You'll either view existing codes or generate new codes. You should generate fresh codes if you lost the originals because old ones may be invalidated. When codes appear, record them immediately in a secure place. Use a password manager, encrypted note, or a printed copy kept offline. Make sure to copy every code exactly. Losing a digit means the code won't work and will waste recovery attempts. Once you have codes, use one when your primary two-step method is unavailable. Enter it where prompted and mark that code as used. Make sure to invalidate or delete any codes you suspect were exposed, and then regenerate a fresh set immediately to stay secure. If a code doesn't work, double-check you copied it exactly. If problems persist, gather your account details, recent purchase info, and console serial number. Then contact PlayStation support. This helps verify ownership and recover access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.